Only you have the ability to be the best version of yourself. So join me on this journey as we explore the power of yoga to unlock your full potential. Let's begin. Settle into reclined butterfly pose. One hand on your heart, the other on your belly. Allow the body to soften and open without force. With each breath, release what no longer serves you. Today, we will invite movement to flow naturally, where flexibility and ease grow from surrender. Draw the knees together and hug them close to the chest. Let your spine rock gently from side to side. Release the arms out wide and drop both knees over to the right side. Gaze is left. Float through center. Knees fall to the left. Gaze to the right. Bring the knees back to center, grabbing hold of the feet or toes for happy baby. Playfully sway here. Straighten one leg, then the other. Explore the edges. Lower the left leg long for half happy baby on the right side. Slowly extend the right leg. And now lower it down. Let the right leg drift across the body to the left side. Left hand catches the right toes or shin. Right arm extended behind you. Deep cleansing breaths. Release, returning the knees to hug into the chest. Repeating on the other side. Half happy baby. Right leg extended on the mat. Extend the leg to the sky, grabbing hold of the toe. Lower to half happy baby. And guide it across the mat for a twist. Left arm extended behind you. Right hand reaches wherever it can. Release the leg and roll back to center, hugging the knees in. Slowly rock up to a seated seat. Hands on knees. Begin slow spinal circles. Let your motion glide soft and steady. Reverse directions. Find a neutral spine, sweeping the arms up to the sky, palms touch, twist to the right, hand on knee. Arms sweep up to center, twisting to the left, right hand on left knee. Keep the heart lifted. Move back through center, extending the legs long for a seated forward fold. Hands smoothing over the legs as you descend. Then glide back up, spine curling, hands tracing over the legs again as you rise. Move through these gentle waves in this forward fold. As you rise up, bring the right foot to your inner left thigh. Fold gently forward. Slowly spiral open, top arm arcs, right hand cradles the head, chest to the sky. Slowly roll out of this pose, moving to the other side. left foot in, folding over the right leg. Move into the twist, left arm reaching over, and then left hand cradling the head. Release out of the pose, rolling up to a tall spine and opening into a wide-legged seated straddle. Keeping the tall spine, gently point and flex the feet. Keep the feet flexed. Begin to walk gently forward and let your right forearm melt to the earth. Pause. Right forearm lifts and then lower the left. Continue alternating sides. Let your body guide the pace. Gently walk the hands back in, moving to a side bend on the right. Left arm sweeps up and over, maybe reaching towards your right toes. Round the spine and move to the left side, sweeping the right arm overhead, easing into the side stretch on the left. Stay here or gently reach towards your left foot, honoring wherever your body is today. Move back through center, bending the knees and finding tabletop. Begin to draw your whole body forward towards the top of the mat, then sweeping to one side, drifting back towards your heels. Let this circle be intuitive and spacious. There is no right shape, just movement that feels nurturing. Now reverse directions and explore the other side. Allow the circles to come to stillness now. Pause and table. Tuck the toes, lift the hips. Downward facing dog. Taking a few breaths in down dog. Spin onto the outer edges of your right foot, letting your hips spiral and shift, extending the left hand forward and across. Breathe deeply into your ribs and waist. Return to your down dog and spin onto the edge of the left foot, reaching your right hand across. Breathe into the entire side body. Shift back to downward facing dog and guide your right knee forward, easing into pigeon. Let your left leg stretch long and fold forward. Rise gently, pressing into your hands, lifting the hips, and finding down dog. Take one deep cleansing breath, then draw the left knee forward, extending the right leg long, settling into pigeon on the other side. Gently press your hands into the mat, lifting your chest as you tuck your toes. Lift your hips and lower into Sphinx pose. Feel your spine lengthen and heart expand. Press into the forearms and hands, pushing back, making your way into hero's pose. Let your spine find tallness and shoulders soften. Stay here with your hands resting on your thighs, or begin to recline onto your forearms or all the way down. Let your body melt into the support beneath you, surrendering fully to this moment of restoration. Begin to slowly rise out of this pose, lifting with care, coming back to sit tall on the heels, allowing your spine to stack and your breath to return to center. As you inhale, sweep your arms wide and high overhead, gathering fresh energy. Let your palms meet above. Exhale, slowly drawing your hands down through center, past your brow, lips, and heart. One more inhale to rise. And return, drawing your palms back to your heart. Let the space you've created support you beyond the mat. Namaste.